What do you understand by this? KPI. KPI. Good, Pallavi. Key performance indicator. Key performance indicator. Now, what is your understanding of this? Key performance indicator. The results? See, everybody in your team should have a dedicated task for you. Should have a dedicated task for them. You get that? Each and every individual of yours should have a dedicated task. And that is exactly what they are going to be evaluated upon. जो भी एक बंदे का टास्क रहेगा उसका इवैल्यूएशन उसी के बेसिस पे होना चाहिए. I'll give you an example. Supposedly there's an individual in my team. All right. And the thing with that individual is that particular individual is required to do collaborations for Rahul Bhatnagar. That he is required to do collaborations with other fellow creators. Now, what he's going to do is he's going to interact with a lot of people, a lot of influencers, and get me 4 collaborations at least every month. That's going to be his key performance, that he or she has to get 4 collaborations done for me. If he is not able to get 4 collaborations done, then he will not be paid the amount that he is given every month. There will be some deduction for it. If he gets 6 collaborations, then we pay him something extra. Similarly, if there's a team leader in my team and the responsibility of the team leader is to sell, supposedly I have any product, XYZ, that we need to sell 1,000 units every month. Then if the team does not sell 1,000 units, then because the team leader is paid more than others, then also he will be penalized and he will not be given his revenue that he deserves. There would be certain deduction because his key performance is that 1,000 units have to be sold. Now 1,000 units have not been sold. So some deduction would happen for him. Then there's one more individual in my team who creates videos. So he has to give me 60 videos for Reels. 60 videos that are selected and uploaded on Instagram. If I don't get 60 videos from him that are selected and uploaded on Instagram, then there would be certain deduction for him also. So everybody should have a particular key performance for them that they are going to be monitored. बंदे का opportunity होना चाहिए कि आपको इस लेवल तक काम करना ही करना है. अगर आप यहाँ तक काम नहीं करेंगे तब आपके लिए इतना डिडक्शन होगा. He or she is going to be judged upon their key performance. If there are team members, there are going to be targets for them. You need to get me 15 or 20 sales every month. You get that done, fair and good. You don't get that done, even if the team has performed well. Understand this. Maybe मेरी टीम ने 1200 यूनिट सेल करें अगर मेरा कोई फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट है तो, लेकिन एक टीम मेंबर का टारगेट है कि आपको 30 करने हैं, उसने 25 ही करे हैं. तो जो बाकी के टीम मेंबर्स हैं जिन्होंने ज्यादा करा है, they will be rewarded. But the one who has got less than the accepted number, he or she will get their money deducted. Is that clear with everybody? Somebody saying, does not this get pressure? Pressure has to be there, man. How do you expect your organization to grow when there is no pressure? People who do well are the ones who perform under pressure. Cricketers who perform under pressure go on to become legends. Businessmen who perform under pressure go on to get results for them. People who were able to perform because of the COVID-19 situation, despite having a lot of pressure on them, are the ones who are creating results. Exactly what Deepak has written: no pressure, no diamonds. So all the tasks should be given to individuals. The KPI should be there. If they don't perform their primary tasks, they will not be paid for it. Now I can guarantee you, so many of you will not be having any KPIs for yourself and your team. Am I right? It's for ourselves too, of course. How many of you don't have any KPIs for yourself or your work? Type 1 if that's true for you, that you don't have anything for that. So many people. From now, make it, people. Start doing it. Once you start doing it, you would then realize that your organization will grow, your company would grow. More chances, more opportunities, more results will come your way. Shikha madam, identify the leaders in your team. And जो आपने अपने टीम के leaders identify करें, उनके targets रखिए. Reward them on the basis of good work. And deduct something if they are not able to get results. Motivate them for sure, but penalize people as well. You don't do it, people get into the comfort zone, your organization suffers. Got that? Good. If you are an individual, have targets for your own self as well. जब तक आपके पास खुद के टारगेट नहीं, खुद के goals नहीं रहेंगे, आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कभी भी ग्रो नहीं कर सकती है, आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कभी भी आगे नहीं जा सकती है. Is that true? Do you understand that? You need to do it. Good. I'm happy that you are able to understand. Start implementing it from today itself. Now, the task for you is identify the KPIs for each of your team members, including yourself. Including yourself. Do it. Note it down. Identify the KPIs for each of your team members, including yourself.